Hey, it's me. Let's talk about something that sounds a little out there. But stick with me, because it's backed by science and might change your life. Today, I'm breaking down a quick longevity hack, healing your body using visualization. I know it sounds woo-woo, but your mind is more powerful than you think. So, what is visualization? It's using imagination to picture something you want to happen. Athletes do it. Scoring a goal, crossing a finish line, nailing a dive. You can use the same thing to help your body heal and extend healthy years. Let's get practical. Step-by-step exercise you can try now. Find a quiet spot. Sit or lie down, close your eyes. Take a deep breath, in and out. Let your body relax. Picture a body part that needs love. Knees, your back, your heart. Imagine it in detail. Visualize warm golden light flowing into that area. See it melting away pain, tension, and any discomfort. Imagine your cells repairing, regenerating, and getting stronger with each breath. Picture immune cells, tiny superheroes, swarming in, cleaning up damage, rebuilding tissue. See blood vessels open, delivering oxygen and nutrients. Imagine that area glowing with health. Stay with it for a few minutes. Mind drifts? That's totally normal. Gently bring it back to the golden light. Now, here's why this works. Studies show visualization can trigger real physical changes. Your brain can't always tell real from vivid imagination. So when you picture healing, your body responds, lowering stress, boosting your immune system, and even speeding up recovery. It's not magic, but it is powerful. The more you practice, the better it gets. You're training your brain to support healing. Big win for longevity. Quick hack, 5 minutes a day, visualizing healing and thriving. Do it waking up before bed or whenever you need a reset. This isn't about ignoring real medical issues or skipping the doctor. Visualization is a tool to tap into your mind's potential and give your body support. Try it for a week. You might feel better mentally and physically. If it helps you live longer and healthier, that's 5 minutes well spent.